Ever wondered what decentralized finance is? Well, in a nutshell, it's a revolutionary concept that is changing the landscape of the financial world. Decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, operates on the principle of eliminating intermediaries. It's built on blockchain technology, a digital ledger where transactions are recorded and verified by a network of computers rather than a central authority. This groundbreaking approach means that anyone, anywhere can access financial services. No need for banks, no need for lengthy approval processes, just direct peer-to-peer transactions. It's like taking the power from Wall Street and giving it back to the people. The main goal of DeFi is financial inclusion. It's about making sure that everyone, regardless of their location or economic status, has the ability to participate in the global economy. This is a huge leap forward in democratizing finance. So, that's the crux of decentralized finance. It's all about creating an inclusive financial system. Now that we understand what DeFi is, what makes it stand out? Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is characterized by three key features. It's permissionless, transparent, and programmable. First, being permissionless means that anyone, anywhere can use DeFi. There are no gatekeepers, no credit checks, no need for identification. Second, DeFi is transparent. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger that's open for all to see. This transparency fosters trust, as users can verify transactions without relying on a third party. Finally, DeFi is programmable. This means developers can build and innovate on existing applications to create new financial services and products. This programmability leads to a highly efficient and flexible financial system. However, like any financial system, DeFi comes with potential risks. Smart contracts, the backbone of DeFi, are only as secure as their coding, and the lack of regulation can lead to market volatility. Despite a few risks, the unique features of DeFi make it a transformative force in the financial sector. So, how does decentralized finance fit into the crypto ecosystem? Well, DeFi is like the heart of the crypto world, pumping life into various aspects of the ecosystem. It's providing crypto users with more than just a means to trade. It's introducing a whole new world of financial services, previously unheard of in traditional finance. Imagine being able to lend your crypto assets to others and earn interest, or borrowing assets without the need for a middleman. That's the power of DeFi. It's breaking down barriers, democratizing finance, and making it accessible to everyone, everywhere. But it doesn't stop there. The growth of DeFi is also driving the adoption of cryptocurrencies. More people are being drawn in by the potential of decentralized finance and its promise of financial freedom. It's not just disrupting the financial world, it's reshaping it. In essence, decentralized finance is not just a trend, it's a game changer in the crypto world and beyond.